comments about the laminar lip. And if you don't know what the laminar lip is, why, these people are smart enough to come up with a little thing that goes on your windshield that makes a windshield really work like it's supposed to. It seems like Honda doesn't know how to do this. They are, they really work. It's a stick-on thing. It's got 4 stick-on spots. Doesn't look like much. When I got it, I kind of laughed about it because I thought, you know, this little thing's not going to do anything. But they were smart enough to understand aerodynamics, where I guess Honda wasn't, and it just directs that air up and over you. It's not very wide, but it's just enough to do the job. I was concerned about this little part here because I had to mount it as high as possible because I'm so long-waisted. But it really works, and I can't say enough about it. Very pleased with my CB500X. Just got over 2,000 miles on it. I haven't rode it as much as I would have, but I went through some cataract surgery and I was out of riding for about 2 months, at least mostly. A little bit dirty right now. I just come in from a ride down the trails, which is about my favorite thing to do, especially in my old age. Anyway, that's what old Chainsaw Bob rides nowadays, that. The mighty Bergman over here. Show you a little bit some of the crap I put on my Bergman. It's been a great bike. Thinking about possibly selling it though. I don't know. It's hard to do. I really like Bergman motorcycles. But I really, honestly, don't need 2 motorcycles either.